How to check Windows details information in Windows 11. Please click Windows key plus R. msinfo32. Then we can see here system summary, hardware resources, components, software environment. Now we open hardware resources and here we can see conflicts, sharing, DMA, forced hardware, IO, IRQS, and then memory. Then we click on components and here we can see multimedia. In multimedia, audio cores and video cores. Then CD-ROM, sound device, display, infrared. In input have keyboard, pointing device. In network, adapter, protocol, Winchoke. Ports. In ports has serial and parallel. In storage we can see drives, disks, SCSI, and then IDE. Then we can see printing, problem devices, and at last USB. Now we go to software environment and then and here we can see system drives, environment variables, print jobs, network connections, running tasks, then loaded modules, services, program groups, startup programs, OLE registration, then Windows error. So friends, we can learn about computer detail in this process if we search in this way. Thanks for watching our video. If like our video, please subscribe our channel and like, comment, share our video.